It's Foxy. I'm here in Houston, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update in advance of Hurricane Harvey, which is on its way. I know some of y'all have been kind of worried about me. We're okay here. We haven't seen much yet. Maybe like the wind has picked up a little bit, and we've only had like a little bit of rain so far, just a little bit. And it's getting a little bit hot, heavier here. And so one of the things that you can do, one of the things that you can do to protect yourself from rain is you can take a trash bag and you can cut holes in it, and you can actually put it on. I probably should have done this before the rain started. And you put it on, and you can, and it'll keep you dry. It'll keep you dry. But the rain certainly is picking up around here.